ano, big shot. Big shot siya. Sige, bigyan muna natin sila ng mga konting clues kung sino yung kanyang kasama.
Pwede ko ba sabihin to? Kanina?
Aga. Good start.
Okay, meron kami mga clues para sa inyo para mahulaan nyo kung sino ang aming fourth host for this week. Big time talaga, guys. Kasi hindi lang pang Pilipinas, pang Indonesia pa. Yun na yun.
My God.
Nabigay ko na.
And of course, syempre, para sa mga Pinoy, kilala nyo siya kasi nag-multi-platinum na yung kanyang mga album sa Pilipinas. So, of course, this guy is a part of the music industry. Malaking clue na yun.
Being part of the music industry, he is also part of the showbiz industry as well. Regular performer po sa ASAP as part of the Champions.
Okay, guys, eto na ang bigay namin para sa inyo. Christian Bautista! Oy, sa akin may kiss.
Christian Bautista with us until the end of the week para makasala naman natin siya dun sa ating
I'm so excited.
And I mean it.
And I mean it. Sobrang excited ka. And speaking of excited, wow, ang lupit mo pala pag naka-freeze outfit ka.
You saw yesterday. Thank you very much.
Your song?
Yeah, just call me Father.
Father Christian. Wow, double na yan.
Diba from Lorenzo Campanera po ba ngayon, Father?
Ito, Christian. Actually, I have a little trivia. Alam mo ba si Christian and I went to the same school?
Yes, we did.
19 kopong-kopong pa yan. And si Christian before. Siya, basta na sa akin.
She's really smart, so...
Ito si Christian, dati pa, hindi pa yan sikat. Siya na yung kumakanta ng haharana ng Valentine's, di ba? Binabayaran ka ng 50 pesos.
Sandali lang.
Binabayaran siya.
Parang Christian, may narinig ako nung hindi ka pa nagpo-perform, dati nasa theater ka, Lion and the Witch and the Wardrobe.
I was the wardrobe.
The wardrobe.
So, yung career goes a while back.
Malupit ang background ni Paris Christian.
Alright, sige. Bago ang lahat, syempre, ang mahalaga dito sa breakfast, alam mo, kapag may mga bagong mga salta dito, bagong salta dito sa aming nayon, meron tayong konting initiation para sa'yo.
Ganon pala.
Na-inform mo si Christian dito.
Pero huwag kang matatakot because we'll take good care of you.
Okay.
Harmless initiation lang to kasi we're a fun gang. So we want you to join in the fun as well.
Yan.
Okay, let's have fun.
Okay, so Christian, tingnan mo, tatagal ka?
Of course!
Sige,
parang Christian.
Simple lang kailangan mong gawin. Ito, sobrang pinakasimpleng siguro dare na sa balat ng lupa. Kailangan mo lang magsabi ng isang bagong kumbaga aspect ng sarili mo na hindi pa alam ng kahit sino dito sa show everyday. Something new about yourself.
Okay. Well, when I was in ICA, I just said, I was a geek, I was a nerd, so I used to wear talagang knee-high socks, Batman shorts.
Batman shorts. Buti hindi Fido-Dido.
Talagang Batman shorts. Tapos talagang tight fit na talagang striped na shirt. Plus no one was looking at me.
Plus the
glasses. I had glasses before.
Let me guess. Habulan ka ng mga babae nung time na yun. Mas lalo na ngayon, of course. Pero dati, hinahabol ka na.
Talaga hinahabol. Umalis ka dyan!
May kasamang bat paghapon. Ito, meron bang isang girl na crush mo sa school dati na hindi ka pinapansin sabay ngayon?
Well, ikaw before, you know.
Hindi ba si Patty yung nerd dati?
Nerd din ako
But she has some very interesting qualities.
Okay, ang galing na itong co-host natin. Magaling sa initiation.
Yan, at Christian, mind you, araw-araw ka namin bibigyan ng, kumbaga mga little challenges.
That's alright.
Officially, kabarkada ka na ng break.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Fourth kabarkada ng breakfast. So sige, Christian, gawin mo na ang trabaho mo.
Alright, okay. Magtrabaho na tayo. Woo! Sisilang pala yan. Okay guys, just stick and stay dahil when we return, JC is going to teach us some simple workouts.
Alright.
And some more down there.
There you go.
See, all that and more when breakfast returns.
Alright! Surprise! There you go. Did you see that guy?
Hi.
Who do you like more, huh? Come on. Sino sa aming dalawa? Tawa, yan ka na, tawa.
I don't know why, pero yung mga traffic reporters, ang gaganda ng boses lagi.
Maganda lang. Si Shirley, nakita namin last Friday. Maganda si Shirley.
Really?
Pag free ka, si Christian, siya na bahala kay Rachel. Okay. Christian?
No.
Patay na siya.
Okay.
Alright. Shirley, thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Alright.
You know what? It's interesting kasi right now, I think we're gonna be talking about
traffic safety tip.
We are gonna talk about traffic safety tips.
Mga kabarkada,
we are.
you better listen because 10% of all accidents are caused by tailgating. Did you know that?
Tailgating
Do you
is...
drive?
Yes, I do.
Nagmamaneho ka. Tailgating, when you know you're just super close to the rear of your front car, the
It
vehicle in front
happened
of
to me
you.
once, so parang inaantok na ako. Tapos, I almost hit this car. Tapos, buti na, 5 grown men pala yung nasa loob.
Patay ka
So,
dyan.
buti na lang hindi ko silang tamaan.
Dapat na lang suot mo yung Batman mo na shorts para...
Yes, para matakot sila.
Bibigyan kita, along with our kabarkadas, bibigyan kita ng safety tip para dyan. Para
Okay,
hindi ka
how do I do that?
makabanda. Okay. First of all, watch the vehicle in front of you approach a fixed point, a same spot like a signal post or something.
Okay.
Alright. Second, you count the number of seconds it will take you to reach the same spot.
Okay.
If you reach the same spot, mga kabarkada, before 2 seconds, that means masyado kang malapit sa kotse in front of you.
Ah, okay.
2 seconds.
Just be careful while doing this tip.
Kasi
you might get hit.
Exactly. Baka lagi ka nakatingin sa orasan mo.
Or that
mapagka mo rin.
signpost. Or you might
Okay.
get hit.
If you reach that same spot before 2 seconds, you are so fast, that means you have to slow down and keep your distance. Guys, mabuti ng safe than sorry.
That's right.
That's,
Yeah.
that's our traffic safety tip. Tomorrow, may panibago na naman kaming traffic safety tip ni Paring Christian sa inyo lahat. In the meantime, wanna know your future or your fortune for today, my
I think
friend?
Patty knows.
Patty knows. We'll take you to Patty for your horoscope.
Sure
yan, di ba?
That's amazing.
Yung mga jaw muscles mo na work out.
Nakita mo? Nakita mo yung Brad Pitt jaw muscles, right? Major muscle group din yan, jaw.
The draws. That was our Pump It Up segment, guys. And don't worry, kasi the whole week we will be featuring special office workout. Huwag na kayong mahiya, guys. Para mapapansin ng boss nyo, nice pecs. Nice abs. Nice
I like the pecs.
Super helpful.
Sige, let's say, tapos na kayo sa inyong workout sa inyong mga opisina. Sana hindi kayo mahuli ng inyong mga boss. Pero ito pa, isa nyo pwedeng gawin para alimin ang inyong sarili. You can download some of the widgets that you have on the internet. This is part of our
Geek Speed,
ano
guys.
ang ating widgets, pare?
Widgets
What's a
are
widget?
fun web programs that you can run right into your desktop.
Ito yung mga 6-piece chicken widgets.
Nuggets yun.
You're so funny in the morning.
Galing, galing. I love it. I love the game.
Ako meron ako limited experience with these widgets. I think
Okay.
parang they take up very little space on your desktop, on your PC. Tapos may mga small things na sila na binibigay like mga time around the world, or temperature for the day,
Calendar.
or weather
Yep, you can
forecast.
see it on TV right now. There you go. Those are our widgets. Computer guy ka ba, Christian?
Sort of. So, kung may widget ako, I would download the world time kasi I go...
Ayun, exacto. I think, actually, that was the thing I was gonna say. Widgets also can, kumbaga na-integrate yun for the world time. And not only that, we have also temperatures.
Temperature?
Tsaka yung mga very simple games like, anong tawag doon? Yung puzzle sliding.
Minesweeper, stuff like that.
Gusto niya.
Favorites ko yan eh.
Well. If you guys are intrigued so widgets, just head on to widgets.opera.com and download your own widget.
Alright.
I'm
That's
gonna
right.
download later on for my iBook. Now, from those cute little downloads, cute little programs, puntahan naman natin ang mga cuties ng mga tambayan ninyo. Guys, it's time for
Crush ng Tambayan! Crush ng Tambayan, this is our new segment wherein we feature the hottest heartthrobs in a certain area. Pwede siyang call center, pwede siyang school, pwede siyang kahit saan, your workplace, kung sino man ang unanimous vote na hottest or cutie, siya po ang feature namin. And today, we have